Just 5 days ago, it was 5 degrees outside. They shut down schools in Louisville, Kentucky because of cold. Can you believe that? Today, Super Bowl, 70 degrees. Good to be back outside cooking. Hey guys, welcome back. Oh man, I tell you what, can you believe it? I'm in short sleeves out here. It is February 3rd, Super Bowl Sunday, and let me tell you, I was not expecting this weather, so I was not prepared for this video. So, I've been scrambling. What do I do for Super Bowl Sunday? I don't have a lot, but I do got some wings I'm going to put together for you. I'm just throwing something together, guys. I'm going to bring it out here. I'm actually cooking on the kettle. The sun's going down, so it's a little race for time, but I tell you what, I'm noticing days are getting a little bit longer, so let's get this grill fired up and get in here and dress these wings up and get them out here on the kettle, and let's get rocking, guys. Alright guys, I'm really just kind of making this one up as I go. I'm just going to start off with just a little salt, pepper, and garlic. I don't even know how many wings I got here. I didn't even count them. I did separate them. I'm going to follow that up. This is the Tango Joe's from Tango Spice Company, the Twist and Shout seasoning. Good stuff, guys. I've never done it on chicken, so we're going to see what happens here. I'll put a link to the Tango Spice Company down below, guys. Good stuff, guys. Go check him out. I'll turn these over and repeat. Little SPG and a little Twist and Shout. I'll go ahead and show you our glaze tonight. You know I love Sweet Baby Ray's, but what I've never tried before is their Hawaiian style barbecue sauce. I'm kind of jumping out there. I don't know how it's going to go, but hey, we're going to find out. So the typical half and half, 2-zone fire like I typically do. I don't show a lot of this, but I'm about half open on the bottom, and I'll probably be about that on the top. I don't do a lot of that because I found that it varies in different parts of the country, so it is what it is, guys. Play with your grills and learn what they do where you are. This is my first cook in a few weeks, so I'm gonna give a little extra TLC right here. Alright, because I want to get a little smoke on these before I grill them off, I'm gonna offset them over here and throw on a little smoke. And you guys know I love my hickory wood on chicken, so here we go. Alright guys, I'm losing daylight. Woo. Smell that hickory, love it. I gotta get these over here, over some heat. Start grilling. Start cooking these things up, then we gotta get them glazed. Have no idea how this is gonna go. I just kind of made it up on the whim. It got up to 70 degrees today. I think it's like mid-60s right now. But I mentioned that it was 5 degrees just 4 or 5 days ago. Unreal. Good old Kentucky weather. Get these, do some flipping. Oh, look at there, guys. Talking to all my buddies, they're all outside grilling tonight. Love it. That's what we're supposed to be doing on Super Bowl Sunday. Would you look at that? That is awesome. I do think we're close. Move some of the outside in. Looking good. Telling you what, looking good. But I'm losing daylight quick. That's the reason we've been inside, but I'm telling you, the days are getting a little bit longer. That groundhog says it's gonna be spring soon. If today means anything, it could be right. Hey guys, let's move these off the heat. Get some glaze going. I'm kind of anxious because I have no idea how this is going to taste. Smells awesome. Again, this is that Sweet Baby Ray's, the Hawaiian style barbecue. I don't have no idea how this is going to taste, but I tell you what, the smells that I had between the Tango Spices and this, I believe it's going to do well. We'll see soon, guys. Alright guys, let's flip these over. Do some more glaze. Boy, I'm putting that on pretty heavy. I hope you can still see this. It's getting a little dark out here, guys. I'll see you inside and we'll give this a taste test, guys. Let me let this sit a few minutes. Alright guys, let's plate up this totally unplanned meal. It's a little mac and cheese. Some of these totally awesome looking wings going on here. A little crust on that one, I want that stuff. The ball game is on. It's already kicked off, so we're well underway. A little Doritos Ranch chips. Look at that plate, guys. Alright guys, moment of truth. I have no idea what I did here. I'm gonna find out right here. I was expecting a little bit more heat, but I'm not. It's good, it's tasty. Got some of that Hawaiian barbecue style sauce that's from Sweet Baby Ray's. I like it. Sometimes I just like throwing stuff together, guys. And considering I didn't even know what I was gonna do as cook till last night, I think it turned out great, guys. Let me try another bite. I've definitely got some of that twist and shout from the Tango Spice Company, guys. I'm leaving a link down below. Go check them out. Tango Joe's an awesome guy, and he's got some great spices. I've bought several from him, and I'm gonna be buying more. So guys, check him out. Guys, thanks so much, guys, for watching this. I didn't even know I was doing this video till late last night, and I was kind of threw it together in a hurry. It ain't often I get good weather in February, so. Guys, by the time this airs, you'll know who the winner is on the Super Bowl. I'll post it right up here in case you haven't watched, but you will. So, guys, thanks so much. I will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.